Also an Animal is one of our brand new books from Kane Miller. It is now available on your consultant's website. It's also available on my website, usbornebookswithLaura.com. It's $11.99. It has great rounded edges and really thick pages, as you can see. So they're fantastic for classrooms, libraries, and also for constant rereading with your kids. And with this kind of book, I definitely think you will get a lot of rereading out of it. It's really lovely. It's a rhyming book. It's very similar to Animally, which is another book that we sell if you're familiar with that one. In this case, I'll read this part. If you were an eaglet, then I'd be an eagle. I'd guard our stick nest like a king, brave and regal. So it just goes through and it talks about, it says if you were a, and then it names a baby animal, and then it says then I'd be a, and then it says the animal in, or insect, whatever, in adult form. And then it has a nice little rhyme at the end that says what you guys would do together. I love this one. If you were a puffling, then I'd be a puffin. I wouldn't let anyone hurt you for nothing. How cute is that? I love that they use unique animals like a puffin, and they teach kids things like a baby coyote is called a whelp. Isn't that cute? They have unique animals like an opossum. They call a baby swan a cygnet. I hope I pronounced that right. So it's really great also for parents to learn. It was so sweet as I was reading this book to my son. He started getting closer and closer to me, cuddling up. And so it's such a cute book to read as a bedtime story. It's just a great cuddle up book. If you were a bird or a bug or a beast, I'd be one too. I wouldn't mind in the least. Woods, water, or air, I would always be there. For wild or tame, I love you the same. It's so sweet. So, of course, here they're talking about wild or tame. They're talking about the animals, but wild or tame is also kind of something that you can express with, sometimes kids give us a little bit of attitude. They get a little bit wild, you know what I'm saying? So this is a great book to kind of let them know that even if they're acting wild, even if you may be mad at them, sometimes you will always love them just the same. So this is also an animal, and it is available now. Thanks for watching.